Hi there, Frank here for Premium members for the trading day of August 5, 2025, a Tuesday. So, let's see how many markets we were wrong about and right about. And the V-shaped recovery here, we're becoming quickly experts in this. Every time the president says something, market drops, and then a few hours later, we're back where we were. So this is a failure of a pattern failure. That's okay with us. By and large, we just retested the weekly support area as we mentioned last time. And if you look at the YM, probably that's the most obvious graphically or visually. Look at this on the daily chart. So we came down here, which is fine. And now the job is to take it back to 45,000. So give it a little room. I don't think it makes sense to get stuck in the details. Just focus on the target, give it a little room, and try to take it back. Now, just always remember that around the mid area here, there's no magic secret here, but there's usually a little back and forth. So that's just one more reason to give it a little room. Hi there, Frank here from Remek. As you know, these market analysis videos are uploaded onto YouTube with a delay. If you'd like to receive them before events happen to make them actionable, please visit remek.ca and subscribe to our premium membership. All the details can be found in the description below the video. We hope to have you on board very soon. Thank you very much and mindful trading. Okay, but otherwise, probably, most likely as always, we're going to test the upper Keltner on the 4-hour chart and eventually perhaps even higher if you look at the weekly. So the job is pretty clear. Always do the math because the risk calculation must be individual. Micros, ETFs, full contract, that's all individual. Just do the math and don't bet the farm on any single trade ever. Okay, on to currencies. Well, what can we say? What's happening is what we said was most likely to happen, which means long potential trades on currencies. And the 6E, any way we look at it, well, you can look at it this way. In that case, it hasn't triggered yet. In this case, it's a breakout trade. Doesn't matter. The job is the same. The daily looks beautiful. Tomorrow, we're expecting a long trade out of this, if you're not long yet, that is. And the Swiss franc also looks beautiful to the long side. Look at this beautiful bull flag here on the 4-hour chart. And the Market Scanner Pro spells out the job here in the setup column here for us. Okay, on to GC and SI. Both markets are moving nicely. Another market, well, the only thing that we can never know in advance, are we going to get a bull flag or is it going to turn into a slide along the Keltner? We know that pattern. In this case, gold didn't give us the luxury of a bull flag, and that's just how the markets work. It's difficult to find an entry point, a grip, if there is no pullback, but it is what it is. Okay, and the SI, however, the SI looks excellent. You see, it's a little bit of delay compared to gold. We haven't hit the upper Keltner yet on the 4-hour chart, and most likely, again, this will head towards 40, back to 40, but at least the upper Keltner. So I think it makes sense to consider silver for a long trade. And the other market, the treasuries, well, speaks for itself. Okay, so I think for the week, what we discussed yesterday on the weekend for this week is, I think, in full force happening in front of our eyes, and we just need to plan ahead and decide where and how and to what extent we want to be engaged with these opportunities on the market. Let's get to work. We'll be back in the morning, and until then, mindful trading.